I want to say thank you to her, but I cannot find her. So this is my mission now. I want to find her. I want to find her.
Before that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified for our latest videos. Also, follow us on Instagram at RealJoeyYap for some behind the scenes.
Tomorrow will be a very exciting day.
Pretty excited because looking forward to next 4-5 days itinerary.
Very exciting. Heard a lot of positive feedback.
We're very excited.
Tomorrow is the 7-star Palm Day and we are expecting to do a lot of wishes.
2017 Taiwan Excursion, I got my wish fulfilled. So this year I come back again.
We're from Canada. We're looking forward to go to our 7-star mountain and make our wishes and practice and learn all about the Dragon Mountains.
We enjoyed the trip very much and all the best. So what you do now, all your wishes are already on the 7-star land because you guys have already submitted. And so the process has already begun. So what you need to do now is just to look for the one that belongs to you.
You know what? I'm looking for a friend. There's this little story happened just now. It was amazing. I was trying to look for my lamb because there are so many. It's so difficult to find, right? And suddenly a lady came up to me and said, "Hey, Chui Ling, I saw your lamb. You know, let me bring you to your lamb." Now it's here. So I don't need to search for my lamb, and right away I got it. So I managed to do the entire ceremony to light from the top to the bottom. I want to say thank you to her, but I cannot find her. So this is my mission now. I want to find her. I want to find her.
Locked.
I just made some wishes and I felt very what do you call, there's this tremendous feeling of peace and calm and prompted me to make that wish, and I hope that the wish will come true.
I get connected faster now compared to the first experience, probably because we have regularly exercising the thoughts.
I also come to pray for world peace. I pray that people are able to live in harmony and there is unity and there is safety for all of us.
I found her. 我找到她了。昨天我的油灯 I was thinking, oh, it's so difficult. There's so many of them. How to find? And suddenly this lady came to me. How did you see my lamp? So happened.
Actually, I was looking for mine, so it's like just nice. There's a site down there. I see a few names that I know, like my Russian friend, your name, and a few of my friends. Yeah, that's why.
And I was like, oh, so many of them. How to find? Maybe I should skip or to let the rest of the participants to light it up for me. But it would be nice if I can do it myself. You know, we came all the way, right? You know, I went to tell Dr. JY. He said, 應咗啦 your wishes. 謝謝你哦.
My feeling is like excited, nervous.
Hopefully my wishes will be able to come true here.